Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking 1-2 narrow topics you can repeat. This concentrates viewers and builds binge potential. Once chosen, batch plan 10 videos of 6-12 minutes so each gives enough watch time. Shorter is fine if retention is high. Make sure to craft a compelling thumbnail and a title that promises a clear value. This increases click-to-watch conversion. Do the basic optimization now: description, a focused tag set, and a pinned comment that directs viewers to the next video. Now you focus on keeping people watching. Retention is the actual currency of watch hours. Start each video with a 5-10 second hook that previews value and teases the next video, because curiosity drives session continuation. Deliver the main content in a tight flow, remove filler, and add chapters so skipped sections still count towards session metrics. Once retention is strong, add cards and link the next video. These nudges convert single views into multi-video sessions and multiply watch hours. Finally, scale what works and monitor the data closely. Consistency fuels algorithmic recommendation. You should publish 2-3 times a week so the system favors your channel, and review retention graphs weekly to fix drop points, tweak thumbnails, openers, or pacing based on that data. If growth stalls, repurpose high retention segments into shorts and link back to full videos to regain session flow. Troubleshooting tip: if retention stays low despite changes, test a different niche or format quickly to avoid wasting production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.